Spinning on my neck so long, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side.
Hi guys, Ninjani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kamalambu Azande Wagamatala into as a singer. Hey guys, I'm correct and I'm funukala. So Guzangizi distracting Reda essence in interviewing. So yeah, something doesn't get content. A content creator. You should just like a H&M.
Makam. Angazi bhala ukuthi ngiphathipha lo play.
Happy reclaimed.
Yokushaya so.
Madam ngolile unjudge.
Ehlezi. Yaphela. Go.
Ehlezi madam ngolile.
Yahlala.
Bathi hi.
Sanibona.
Ngizonamnandi.
Ngiyabonga.
Khanja kanjani ke lapha?
I know ukuthi kanje kanjani but I'm not sure ukuthi
Sifakile ndizana.
yeah but it's 180 something.
Hayibo usuzokhuluma ngishi address yakhona?
Yeah phela ngithi befuna ukuhlala khona.
Kunzima.
You're the only one I want by my side. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. We don't want something, but we need each other. We don't want something, but we need each other. If that's all you ask for, with my legs up on the dashboard. Only thing I get is my
Sesifikile ilanga lasebusika liyi. Hayi. Just umnyama vele.
No asize la ila.
Just umnyama. Buka khanya ngisho sibhekele.
This is better.
Way better. Yabo sengimfishane kunawe.
Manje oh.
You lead me to paradise. Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
And I'll take some time just to get back for that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around?
Hi guys, ninjani? Namhlanje siya Campus Square ngiyokwenza inzipho and ngidinga isiketi, ngidinga ukuyostokha. Yini enye ngidinga futhi? Yini enye ngidinga? Amanzi ami lawo, sengiphuza amanzi kakhulu, yabo ngingana serious manje. Phuza amanzi. Yeah, so asambeni siya Campus Square senza inzipho. Yeah, nizobona manje usuku maliqhubeka ukuthi ngizovlog kanjani ngophethe ucash okhokhela ithikithi. So namhlanje akekho okhalayo. Asambeni.
Nothing. I'm coming at you, cause I know you got a bad reputation. Doesn't matter cause you give me temptation. And we don't gotta think about nothing. Been there all night, I've been there all day. And my heart got me walking side to side. I've been there all night, I've been there all day.
Akukholakala ukuthi mina ngenze inzipho ezi-ready. No ways. So sengimotweni mase baba inkazana bangibuka ngimtshela emotweni sengibuyile. Okay, sengiqedile ukwenza inzipho ukwenza ngisahlela ngenza u-red, mina no red, izinto ziyashintsha. Okay, so sengiyahamba manje ngilambe. So sesihamba siya so it's in the stock because angifuni kuvalwe, yabo. So ngithatha i-bites then siyaphela. Asambeni. Iphanje vele bang. Ngidinga uwasha imoto manje. Ngicabanga sengihleka car wash ngedwa i-hour lonke ngedwa. Never that. Sengise China Mall. Ngifuna isiketi bese ngifuna so ngiqeda ukufonela ile dermatologist engise. Uthithini progress. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi nginama pimples yabo khona le nje lelimila namhlanje. Then khona linye la. Khona isanda kuphela la. Yabo angaze ngiyabona kodwa le this one is visible. Sengibuyile. Ngicela ukuthenga China Mall. Plastic bawu-2. La ngithenge i-dress black and white. And then la ngathenga isketi lesi Listen,
I give 0 and I got 0
Lokho kuphela sihambeni sendlini manje. Istock ngizosithenga Monday ngifica sekuvaliwe. Uvalo 1 umgqibelo bengisenkhohlweni. Ngiyazi inamba ngitsheso 2 angazi. Ngeke namanzi. Ngathi ngiphakamile. Okay guys. Asambeni imali lobhuti. Nokuthi bangisize baba u2 so wona I don't know ukuthi lo ngamsiza ngizomnikeza u5 rand. Lo nginikile osebenza la ekhaya ngizomnikeza u10. Let's go. Kuyabhora kuba wedwa kuba yilona. It's boring. Trust me. Hey, umhlaba mncane guys. Ngicela ukubona imoto yomunye ubhuti, idriver omunye usisi. Small world. Hayi bandla. So njengamanje sengendlini shema akusekho nje ngisazokwenza. Enye into nje guys ngami ukuthi angithandi ukwenza content engekho maninga indawo yabo. That's why kuye kungithatha isikhathi ukuthi ngiposte vlog because angifuni ukuposta umhlangano. Ngiyawuposta umhlangano yes but ayi umhlangano uzobonwa naye mina yabo. But manje ngifuna ukuzama ukwenza ivideo yabo ngivuka ekseni ngivese umbhede ngidlule yabo ivideo kanjalo. Bengihlezi ngekho sure ngaleyo video because I don't like my space. Kumbi sincane sikugcwele yonke into isondelene ndawonye yabo. So bengihlezi nje yabo ngithi I'll never do that to myself but my DMs about 3 bangicela ukuthi ngenze content kanjalo so nje ngizofaka i-disclaimer ukuthi incane room yami nje but we all start somewhere right. That's my favorite line. Njalo nje mase ngifuna ukufeel better about my players ngithi we all start somewhere because vele we all start somewhere. Good morning guys, let's go to church. This is Kwama. I'm wearing a dress. Nages. My face.
We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where I came from.
Oh, sorry bazalwane. Bengisasho sisi esontweni manje. Kade ngisese 15. Oh yeah, vele avuleka. So let's go to church.
Realigning our lives that we proudly born again. Born again. We have to ask God for grace to love people the way God loves people. It's amazing how abazalwane don't even like when abazalwane. Let alone abantu abangamazi uJesu. Realignment. Realignment, bazalwane. Realignment. Realignment. And this is what the gospel, what the impact of the gospel or the good news is not just behavior modification, but it's heart transformation. The gospel is about the transformation of our hearts.
Maldives to the islands. Drip, drip, drip when you slide in. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you want, like it. Making up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it.
Yeah, guys, so Vision service payment.
Perfect, 100%.
Yeah. So njengamanje soya e-checkers because kukhona izinto encane ngidinga e-checkers. Soya lo check la ade siye khona ensukwini sisenandos. Yeah, so soya lapho. And then hlukane. Singaduki. Ngisho singaduki because unayazi indlela.
No.
And ngesikwazi ukulandelana because
yeah, wena uzoba phambili.
Man ujoin up ufreeway uhambe kuloko umgaqo ohamba ngase Astron Energy. Astron, yeah, the garage. Uphuma kubheka ngaphi?
Ibengathi uya endlini yakho.
Yela.
Yeah.
Ngisa boy sangweni.
Yes.
Uhambe ngathi siyadlula kule garage ngathi siye Woodmead or you take the other thing.
You take
right. Right lo no Astron Energy ne garage.
Oh, Lilia Limbi. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhlambe uzofuna ukusebenza nawo nje uzothi garage limbi.
Ngeke ngikwazi. Ufuna ukusebenza engine.
Ngithanda engine. I love engine. So, asambeni guys.
Sanibona. Asengivelile nazandi.
Bese
I feel like fucking something, but we could be corny, fucking sugar. I ain't no dummy. I like to say, what if we could kiss and just cut the rubbish? Then I might be on to something. I ain't giving you one no problem. I'm giving you hundreds, fuck it. Something we just gotta get into. Same first, middle, last, no wisdom too. Niggas wishing that the pussy was a kiss symbol. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice, and that dinner just like dessert too. And when we fresh, give me two. When I'm like that, love, come give me two. You want lipstick, lip gloss,
and I'm like Amina.
pumpkins.
Okay.
Shukela, ubiso lwamanzi, ubiso lwempuphu, nama-sachets lawa.
Usakhona ubiso luphansi.
Yeah.
Khona umuntu odla leyo ndlela esikhathi sambayo.
Yes.
It's not available. Check us.
Give me a bug, need the Gucci store. Push your limit that you ain't good enough. All your niggas say that you lost it on me. All my bitches feel like I died. I don't need fucking with you, feel like jail, nigga. You can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, know that. You gon' make me need bail, know that. Caught dipping with your friend, you ain't even have me like know that. Come be a bag with a brick, you know that. Jordan sold a face to fight your back. Oh, this sad for real. I'll make you feel.
Bazalwane uthi lesi singathini like ufaka ushukela.
Fake sweet.
Yeah.
Don't have money
Because it's
for
so
fun.
good. Uzoba nesifo sashukela.
Zalwane, don't say that.
Serious?
It's sugar brown and it's healthy. Melo uchicheka so benoshukela wawo.
Yeah.
I'll tell you something brand yaka.
Wangathenga 10 kg.
Angeke msika.
Mningi kakhulu. Uyathanda mositi.
Hayi. Kodwa
Wangothenga.
nginayo yini imali yakho mzalwane?
Ngizakugcosela.
Uthini?
Ngizakugcosela.
Okay, 69 bebe 64 guys.
Okay. Thanda labaya.
White chocolate. hot chocolate must go sugar.
Yeah.
But now who's saying what does say for 70 rand?
Nakho sekuvela nomlungu.
100 of Smith one.
I get cut.
Long as I get paid, that little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going to not a slave. I hate that y'all that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I with me, so I took a private plane. Get like I'm working on my aim. You too hard to the car, till it's to the ground, I can better spell the name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and drown, try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Hey, we gotta.
Angazi noma ngiyezwakala yini ngoba kukhala i-generator la. Lalelani. Sengihambile ngongena eliftini, ngakhohlwa lezi zinto engiyithenga. Ngakhohlwa nje izinto engiyithenga. Masalwane. Kanjani igrosa yami engaka? Sengibuyile ngesemontweni. Ish. Ngomsa tripod ngayidinga, osimkhombisa izinto lezi ngizoyiphatha noba njengoba kukhona nekhofi. Kwaze kanzima. Shwele. Hi guys, so njengamanje Macro. So thenga izinto just for room 1. Okay. So manje sibheka ubisi. Izinto zakho. I think iloli 94 104. Asikhombisa ubisi. Lola 120 104 94. Why Lolo 94? Why? Guys, isiphelile vlog yami namhlanje. I hope ni-enjoyile. Ngize la kuzoenda le vlog le. Ngizobona kuvideo elandelayo. Angisuggest bengekho right. So I hope inhlanhla sosa nje ngizo-aligna whatever athina ama-chakra hands angazi, but thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love you. Yeah. Ngiphethe uNombuso. Sanibonani. Hello. Nimfollow TikTok. Nombuso Indoni. Siyafana guys. Wenza njani Smalile?
Shy. Hayi sizonyuka phi lana?
Sho sisafuna ukuwa. Uqeda ukuthathwa igagasi kabi.
Hayibo,
Sesimanzi.
ukuthi simanzi kanjani.
Hayi shame.
Xoxela.
Bye guys. Then subscribe ngoba nje subscribe.
Siyacela ukuthi ni like, ni comment, ni follow, ni subscribe.
Exactly.
If I say I'm wrong, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling.
Dance for you.